फ्रेंड्स, ज्ञानदीप शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ खेड रत्नागिरी and ज्ञानदीप English Medium School Moronde Boras. First, all of you heartily welcome. Hi, I am Jayavant Pise. You have completed 10th board exam and I hope you will take good percentage. Next aim is HSC board exam and various entrance exam like JEE, NEET, NATA, Architecture, NDA. Our school is best preparation of above all entrance exam and board exam. 11th and 12th is a turning point of life. These 2 years are very important to us. So first you will decide which entrance exam you will crack and totally focus on them. Regularly I send video watching compulsory. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Discuss about board exam 12th pattern. In mathematics subject, 2 part 1 50 marks, part 2 50 marks, theory 80 marks with option 112 marks, and practical exam 20 marks. These are the pattern of the board exam. Pattern of CET exam, multiple choice question is there. Physics 50 marks, 50 questions, 1 mark each. Chemistry 50 marks, 50 questions, 1 mark each. And mathematics 100 mark, 50 questions, 2 mark each. These are the pattern of the CET exam. Pattern of the JEE exam, total 300 marks, multiple choice question is there. Physics 100 marks, 25 questions, each question 4 marks, similar to chemistry and mathematics. Correct answer 4 marks and wrong answer 1 mark less. Negative marking system is there. Today discuss about mathematics part 1. Index of part 1, total 9 topics is there. First topic, angle and its measurements. Next, trigonometry 1, trigonometry 2, determinant and matrices, straight line, circle, conic section, measures of dispersion and probability. Today I will discuss about first topic, angle and its measurement. You know some concepts of angle and measurements. First we discuss about measurements. Draw angle 40 degree, but one measure in anti-clockwise direction and the other is measure in clockwise direction. So first diagram, these are the clockwise direction and second is anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction is a positive and clockwise direction is a negative. Okay. Directed angle, consider the ray OA, rotate it about O, it takes the position OB as shown in the figure, then also so obtain due to rotation is called the directed angle AOB. If the rotation of the initial ray is anti-clockwise, then the measure of directed angle is considered as positive, figure 1, and if it is clockwise, then measure of directed angle considered as negative, second diagram. The ray OA is called the initial arm, and the ray OB is called terminal arm. Next point, zero angle. If the ray OA has zero rotation, that is it does not rotate. The initial arm itself is a terminal arm, OB. The angle so form is zero angle. one rotation angle. After one complete rotation, if the initial ray OA coincide with the terminal ray OB, then so form angle is one rotation angle 360 degree. Next point, straight angle. After the rotation, if the initial ray OA and the terminal ray OB are in opposite direction, then the directed angle so formed is known as straight angle. Next point, right angle. 1/4 one rotation. 1/4 one rotation angle is called one right angle. It is also half of straight line. Half of straight line angle. One rotation angle is 4 right angles. Okay, these are the right angles. Next point, angle in standard position. Angle in standard position. In the rectangular coordinate system, a directed angle with its vertex at the origin O and the initial ray along the positive x-axis is called angle in standard position. The given diagram, OX is the initial ray and the first angle XOP, second angle XOQ and third XOR. These are the angle in standard position. This point OX is fixed. Next point is quadrantal angle. Directed angle in standard position. Terminal ray lies along x-axis or y-axis is called a quadrantal angle. These points OX is fixed and OX is a initial arm and terminal arm x-axis or y-axis, positive or negative side of the axis. These called quadrantal angle. Next point, coterminal angles. Directed angles of different amount of rotation having the same position of initial rays and terminal rays are called coterminal angles. Coterminal angles, important point, amount of rotation having the same position of initial ray and terminal ray are called coterminal angle. See diagrams. These diagram, OA is fixed and OB also fixed. First, anticlockwise direction angle 30 degree. Second, one complete rotation and again 30 degree, total 390 degree. And next, OA, this type of the angle is a clockwise direction. Clockwise direction असेल, denote negative sign minus 330 degree. Okay, these are the coterminal angles. Some examples of coterminal angles. Regularly I send video, watching compulsory. Like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.